Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Spotify history. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you tap on the recent tab at the top right hand corner right next to the bell icon, you can see all of the recently played track list displayed on the screen till date. The recently played list will not only be accessible to you, but it will also be accessible for the people that follows you on Spotify. If you don't want to share your recently played list with anyone else, you can delete your Spotify history so that only you'll be able to see it. From this page, simply go to the particular song that you'd like to hide or delete so that no one will be able to see it. Tap on the three dots as soon as you spot the music, which is available right next to the track. Now, click on Hide Song and the music will be hidden from the list. Unfortunately, you cannot delete the music entirely from this list, but you will be able to hide it from the people that follows you on Spotify if you don't want them to see a particular content from your playlist. That was how you can easily remove Spotify history using your Spotify application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.